This is how to download a resume from Overleaf. Go to Overleaf, and from your project dashboard, you can find your resume. Then, for instance, this awesome CV. Then you can see here a download icon. Just click that one. And save. Then you can open it. So this is the raw file. And if you want to download your resume as PDF, so just open your resume, then go to File, go to Download, then select Download as PDF. You can also choose other extensions, for instance, docx. Let's go download as PDF. And here it is. So this is how to download a resume from Overleaf.